Imagine getting into a car that knows your mood, adjusts your seat, plays your favorite song, and then launches you from 0 to 60 faster than gravity can catch you. This isn't a dream. This is 2025. These 5 cars aren't just fast, they feel like they've been pulled straight out of science fiction. Let's take a ride through the machines redefining what cars can be. First up, the Tesla Roadster, 2025. Elon Musk called it the most powerful car in the world. But that might be an understatement. The new Tesla Roadster is a torque monster with a 0 to 60 time of under 1.9 seconds. That's faster than most fighter jets off an aircraft carrier. And if you think that's crazy, wait for the SpaceX package, cold air thrusters integrated into the chassis that give the car an actual boost system. This isn't just performance. It's physics breaking. And all of it wrapped in a minimal, glass roof design that looks like it could dock with the International Space Station. Next, the Rimac Nevera. Forget everything you thought electric cars were. The Nevera doesn't hum, it howls. With 4 electric motors producing over 1900 horsepower, it can hit 258 miles per hour and go from 0 to 60 in 1.74 seconds. That's faster than a Bugatti. It's also smarter. It features an iDriving coach that uses dozens of sensors and cameras to track your lines on a racetrack and teach you how to drive like a pro. Every corner, every brake, every drift, this car is guiding you in real time. Think of it as your own digital racing instructor, built into a $1 million hypercar. Third on the list, the Lucid Air Sapphire. Luxury and performance rarely mix at this level. But Lucid's Sapphire model doesn't compromise. It's a full-size luxury sedan with 3 motors, over 1200 horsepower, and a 0 to 60 time of 1.89 seconds. But it's not just about speed. This car uses predictive suspension, active noise cancellation, and augmented reality HUDs to create an interior driving experience that feels closer to piloting a spaceship. And if that wasn't enough, it's got facial recognition to adjust settings when it sees you. It doesn't just drive, it remembers you. Now let's talk combustion. Enter the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. Electric may be the future, but the Jesko is the ultimate send-off to internal combustion. This is the car that aims to break 330 miles per hour. With a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8, a 9-speed multi-clutch transmission, and a shape optimized through aerospace-level wind testing, it's the fastest road-legal car ever attempted. Every surface, every bolt, every molecule was designed for one purpose: speed. And inside, it's not stripped down. It's elegant, surgical, almost clinical. If speed is an art, the Jesko is a masterpiece. Finally, the most efficient, futuristic concept now in motion, the Mercedes Vision EQXX. This car doesn't chase speed. It chases efficiency, and it wins. Built with ultra-light materials and aerodynamic lines that reduce drag more than a cyclist in a wind tunnel, the EQXX shattered records by driving over 620 miles on a single charge. It even has solar panels on the roof that can generate power for lighting and minor systems. Inside, the entire dash is a continuous, 47-inch screen powered by AI that learns your habits. It's designed to be whisper quiet and more energy efficient than any I've ever made. This is the kind of car you'd expect to see quietly gliding through a futuristic city, not sitting in a dealership. So there you have it. 5 cars that prove we're not just moving forward, we're jumping ahead. They drive faster than human reaction time. They adapt to your style. They teach. They remember. Some even fly. This is not the future of cars. This is 2025. And if you want to keep discovering the wildest innovations reshaping our world, this is the place to be. You're watching Quicklet. Subscribe, because the next story might just blow your mind again.